Okay, I'll do it. Hello, 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 hello. Welcome aboard. Welcome to Web System and E-commerce. I hope you're having a good semester. Please participate as much as you can in discussion. That's a forum that you're going to learn and you're going to share your experience. And I put importance to it and to help you easily 30% of grade is assigned for it. Please take advantage of it. You don't know the assignment, I understand, but discussion is a forum and easily a way to communicate. For the first assignment, you have to locate the code that is given, is in my book, volume 2. However, I posted in the assignment area is around 20 lines of HTML. Right now, you don't understand each of those tags or each command, but as time goes by end of semester, I really want you to understand. That's how you become programmer, become coder. People say I am a coder. That means they understand those codes. It requires time. It requires experience. It's like looking at it as a sport. You're playing a sport. So copy those 20 lines and put it to the Notepad editors. Notepad is like a Word, but without having any agenda in it. So it's a pure text. So you want it, if you use a Mac also, make sure that you have a pure text editor, and save it as .html. Your extension instead of document or text should be .html. That is very important. As soon as you put HTML instead of other text or doc, use the all file, and browser knows that this is going to be a web um, code and treat it for the web page. So save it in the desktop so you can find it, and you will see that because of the .html browser located and change the icon to its own shape, its own form. Uh, so then you can locate it and click on it. As soon as you click it, that's how you have a web page. Now your web page is in your computer, but in module 3, we learn how to web host it. So wait for that. Second part of assignment is to fix the code. To fix the code is, at this moment, is not necessarily those commands, but how the data that is used with those commands. For example, the link, sometimes you hear the word link is broken. The link is broken because it was typed wrong or is not there anymore. Okay, so you have to make sure that link is correct. For example, those days, if this was my web page in 1995, the link that I used was ebrahimicjb.com or .net. That those days, they're not anymore around. So my new web page would be, or new link will be drebrahimi.com. So instead of that, put www, the same thing, drebrahimi.com. Then you have an image source. You realize on your web view on part A of assignment that you see a little X and instead of my picture, my image, because my image is not in your computer. Copy and paste or copy my image on your computer. Make sure the name is correct. The naming is very important. Make sure that you have extension such as JPG or GIF or PIC. Okay, so any extension, make sure that is valid. And we have in that example extension, just follow the extension from the example. The next things to correct will be the content. Content is important in the web page. In this case, we have languages. We talk about C, C++, Java, Python, Perl. Those days, Perl wasn't. Perl was there, but Python wasn't there, and Pascal was there. Okay, you could replace them. And we talk about lettuce, banana, orange, and apple. those you can replace. So that would be the third modification. The fourth modification is my email. My email is stated as ebrahimi@juno.com. It might be exist, but that is not the one that I use. Ebrahimi@allwestbury.edu. So change to that. You may want to also change the color of the background color. There is one challenge change. If you understand it, that would be fantastic. Then you know how Wikipedia works, or you can make your own Wikipedia. Let's say you are interested on car, you could call it Carpedia, and just have a link of different cars, and it will search on your own web page. If you learn that, would be fantastic. It's a little challenging, but for now, this is great, and we're gonna have to go to the next module. Hopefully, learn more and more, and that would be a big award for you this summer. Great, and enjoy together. Bye.